Hi, this is Tanish and today I'm introducing the HP OMEN 16. With a sleek, modern design and cutting-edge hardware, this laptop is sure to take your gaming experience to the next level. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 6800H processor and 16GB DDR5 4800MHz RAM, it offers lightning-fast performance for all your gaming needs. The NVIDIA graphics card provides stunning visuals on the 40.9cm QHD display with 165Hz refresh rate at 3 milliseconds response time. The HP OMEN 16 also has plenty of storage with 1TB SSD drive, so you can store all your games and media without worrying about space constraints. It comes preloaded with Windows 11 Home, 64+ single language and Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021, so you can get started right away. Plus, it features Alexa built-in for added convenience. Just ask Alexa to check your calendars or set reminders. The laptop also includes a full-size 4-zone RGB backlight keyboard for comfortable typing and an HP Wide Vision 720p HD camera with temporal noise reduction and integrated dual-array digital microphones. What are you waiting for? Check it out today. Buying a laptop can be a lengthy task with so many options available. Here's a comprehensive list to help you choose the right laptop for your needs. Usage. Consider how you will use your laptop. Will you use it for work, gaming or entertainment? Different laptops are designed for different uses, so it's important to choose a laptop that fits your needs. Screen size. Laptop screens range in size from 11 inches to 17 inches. A smaller screen is more portable but may not be suitable for tasks that require a larger display such as photo and video editing. Processor. The processor is the brain of your laptop and affects its speed and performance. Choose a processor that fits your usage needs and budget. RAM. RAM is important for multitasking and running multiple applications simultaneously. Choose a laptop with at least 8GB of RAM for optimal performance. Storage. There are two types of storage, hard disk drives and solid-state drives. SSDs are faster and more reliable but more expensive than HDDs. Choose a laptop with an SSD if you require faster performance. Graphics. Graphics are important for gaming and video editing. Choose a laptop with dedicated graphics card for better graphics performance. Battery life. If you plan to use your laptop on the go, battery life is important. Choose a laptop with a long battery life to avoid constantly needing to recharge. Connectivity. Consider the ports available on the laptop such as USB, HDMI and Ethernet. Also consider if the laptop has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities. With these factors in mind, you can find a reliable and efficient laptop for your needs.